shut. You need to stay on the ride. Steve, to your right.
I can't stand them up on anything, so all you're going to see is seats.
Just the splits, the whole split concept.
Thank you very much. We'll check in periodically to give you some updates. Thank you.